Team Tonino Gonzaga. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just waiting for the team members to assemble near the bonfire
area. Give them wing. Saan ba? Saan ba nila sisindihan? Ayan, okay?
At our signal.
Okay, huwag niyo kong pagkaguluhan. Ako, gusto niyo...
The ones at the stage area, please be careful. There is a drop. Wala po.
Yes, meron pong trap door dyan.
Oo.
Pag light ng bonfire, mahuhulog kayo.
Are all the captains already at the badminton area?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, there are 4.
Raise your flames.
4 teams.
We're waiting. The 4 teams are there. Ladies and gentlemen, let the countdown to the lighting of the bonfire begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for joining us tonight, but the fun is not yet over. Up next, we have bands joining us for the remainder of the night.
Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite each and every Atenean to the December 8th Ateneo Homecoming. Okay, so ito na po ang huling homecoming dahil katapusan na po ng mundo. So let's party on December 8th So lahat po ng mga nandito kami dito, we invite you. For more details, punta na po tayo sa alumni office. And I hope to see you all there.
Yes,
All right.
Of course,
Ariel.
we'd like to